Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix Valorant stuck loading screen in Windows. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So first step is to restart React client. For that you need to enter into your task manager. Over there please end task the React client. Yeah, once it's done, please close the task manager. And our second step is to restart Vanguard services. For that you need to press Windows R and then type services.msc, and then please scroll down. You may see VGS, VGC. Please enter into the property by right clicking and then make it as automatic and then stop and then start it. Yeah, once you're done, please apply and then click OK. Now once it's done, please close it. And our third step is to disable full screen optimization. For that you need to enter into the Valorant application and then right click and then enter into properties and then compatibility. Over there please disable full screen optimization and then click apply and then click OK. Once it's done, we are heading up into the fourth step to update graphics driver. For that you need to enter into the device manager and then enter into the display adapter, your NVIDIA, then update the driver. If it's up to date, please close it. So our fifth step is to clear Valorant cache. For that you need to press Windows R and then type a percentage local app data percentage and then enter into Valorant and then saved and delete all the files and folders. Yeah, we are heading into sixth step to allow React client. For that you need to enter into the Windows security and then firewall and network protection. Over there allow an app through firewall, and please check whether the React client is checked in or not. It should be checked in for private and public. Yeah, in our case it's good to go. So please click OK and then close it. So our seventh step is to reinstall React client. For that you need to press Windows R and then type appwiz.cpl. It redirect to the uninstall tab. So over there you can uninstall the React client and then install the fresh one to solve the issue. So once it's done, please restart your system and then click OK. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.